Hey Mustang Stampede, getting ready to show you the animation that happens on the dash when you first get in your car. I just started this up to get ready to go, so when you first get in and you did a remote start, you don't have anything going on until you close the door. You get this very cool C8 Corvette animation where it starts kind of with the outline in the motor and then ends up as the Corvette there. It also does an animation over here, but that one's already over. So then once you press the start button, you basically get your Corvette thing going on. So anyway, that is the cool animation that I like about this. It's kind of hard to see, but there's kind of like the logo in the back there. So but anyway, thanks for watching.